Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Lulua Tech channel. Today we are going to create our first React app that is functional and running. So you are going to follow the procedure as we move on. Okay, I'll first create a folder on the desktop and name it first React app. You can name it the way you want. And then after creating this folder, we open a new window from VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code, which is one of the best editors. So it is opening. Once it opens like this, we are going to open the folder that we created on the desktop by clicking on File, and then we shall open a new folder. Then we find the folder from desktop and select it. Once it opens here, you can close this welcome screen. Then we open a new terminal. So from this terminal we are going to create our app, and this time we're going to create everything from scratch. The terminal is loading. It's taking a bit of time. Okay, so from here we are going to write npm create vite at latest. So that is what we are going to use for creating our React app. And for me, I'm giving the name React app. You can give it any name you want, name of your choice, and then you click enter. Then you wait for it to load. So I've given mine the name React app. I like the React app name because it's easier to find. So from here we're going to scroll to React. You can use your down key, and then when you reach React you click OK. Then we go to JavaScript. We select JavaScript and then enter. From here we're going to CD. We're going to CD to React app. So it will take us to the React app folder. And then from here we can npm install. Write npm install so that it starts installing the dependencies. So from here you wait for it to install the dependencies. As it is installing, please do subscribe to Lulua TV Tech channel. This channel is basically for creating solutions for any of your tech problems. And if you have any tech problem that you think you need a solution for, you put it in the comment section. I'll be able to look through it, and if it is something I can handle, I'll be able to create a video about it and upload it on this channel as well. This channel originated from Lulua TV, our mother channel, because it is the main channel that normally handles travel videos, and we do so beautiful places within Uganda. So it's our first channel, you can subscribe to it as well. Now here it has installed the dependencies, so you can write here npm run dev, so that it can open for us a directory that will lead us to the browser. So you write npm dev, click enter. So we have this local directory. You can hold on alt and then click on it, so that it takes you to, it automatically opens on the browser, or you can copy and paste it on the browser as well. So here you have successfully created your first React app. So we are going to delete everything in the folders. We are going to delete everything from these files, and we create our own from scratch. Here you can check through the files. We have the source files. It has the app CSS, app.js, the main.js. It has the index CSS, also the index HTML. So we are going to delete everything and then write our own React from scratch. Going to write our own code. I feel Vite is one of the best and easiest way to create a React app. So you delete everything you have in these files, or you can say components. So that we write our first React code manually. So you can see everything has gone. Now we can start writing our own code from scratch. So we are starting with the HTML, index HTML. All these components are empty. So from HTML, you now follow along. Going to create a doc type. You can see Prettier is showing for us this, and HTML. You write a doc type HTML and then you close. And then you write HTML, and the language is, you just write lang and then en, that is English. And when you close that, inside here we're going to create the head tag, the header tag. So inside the head we're going to create some meta tags. So the first meta will have the character set, and the character set is UTF space, not really space, you can say -8. Then we're going to write the next meta tag. Then this time we're going to put in the name. The names will be viewport. The names will be viewport, and then the content. Also put the, so the content is going to be width. you write width is equals to device width dash width is equals to device dash width. Then you are going to write a comma, and the initial scale is 1.0. The initial scale should be 1.0. Sometimes you can get this from a boilerplate, but I feel it is better when you write this on your own so that you get used to it. So we're writing our third meta. It is HTTP equiv. You can write that. And then x dash UA compatible. Then you can leave a space and then you write the content. The content is IE dash AIDS. So here you can now write the title of the document. So for me, I think I'm going to write a first React app. And as well, you can link your index CSS here in the head tag. You can do that after writing our something in the body. We're creating the body. Inside the body, we're going to create a div with the ID root. Create a div with an ID of root. And then after the div, you can create your script. This will be model, and we're going to get it from the source, and that will be the main JX. The main JX. So we can now put our index CSS here. You create a link, and then the href is going to be the index CSS, which is in the source folder. So I believe we are done with our index HTML. So next we are going to write the code in the main JX. So we're going to import React from React. You import React from React. Then you import React DOM. Import React DOM from React DOM dot client. Import React DOM. So the React starts with the small letter, stroke client, then you can import your app from app. Import your app component. So we are going to create a variable for the root. So you are going to say a const root so equals to React DOM dot create React, and you say document dot get element by ID, and the ID is root. So you're going to type that document dot create get element by ID. The ID we created was root. So we're going to say this root dot render. Let this root render for us a React. Root dot render React in strict mode. So I forgot to put the tags. React dot strict mode. We're going to close it, and the inside here we're going to render the app. So you render the app here. Basically this is it for the main JX. So we are going to probably just write something simple in the CSS. Maybe the global CSS is just margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box, just this generic CSS. Then for the body, let's give it some color so that we really know that we have done something of our own. So just pick a random color here, and then I want to center everything. We are giving it a width of 100 view width. Then we are going to display it display as flex. So perhaps we first write our app.js. We're going to import React from React. After that, you can export a default function app. You export the default function app, and you are going to return a div. Let's return a div, and inside the div let's put a heading 1 with hello React. So this is it. I'm sure when we check here it's already here. So this is your first React app. So basically this is how you can write your React code from scratch. So here I just want to center it. As I said before, the display is flex. Flex is one. This is prettier. It keeps popping up like this. You just cancel because we are using a free version. So basically that is how you can create your React app with your own code. So this is it. I would like to thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe to this channel. If there are questions, please put them in the comment section. Suggestions and inquiries are always welcomed, and please don't forget to subscribe to Lulua TV Tech. And Thank you so much for following us. You can also watch our other videos as well, and please do also subscribe to Lulwa TV, our mother channel. Thank you so much. Have nice of your time.